Hey guys, what is up? Tech Flash here, and today I have an unboxing of a phone that I am very excited for. The phone in question is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. And I know a lot of you guys would be like, hey, but this is already a phone that had been released. But bear with me a minute because this is the 5G variant, and this has one major key difference from the 4G variant, which I will discuss in a bit. This model comes with 8 gigs of RAM, which is further paired with 128 gigs of internal storage. Also, this comes in this very unique peach pink color, which I really liked when I saw it, but I gotta see it in person to see what it actually looks like. Opening up the box, the first thing we see is the booklet, which holds the SIM ejector pin, some paperwork, warranty information, and we also get to see this dongle, which is for a 3.5mm audio jack, since the Mi 11 does not come with one. Furthermore, we also get this bumper case, which Xiaomi has started to include on all of its models. Digging deeper, we have the actual device, which I will turn on and put to the side. Just behind the phone, we have our charging cable, which actually is a USB-A to USB-C cable, and it has the orange color inside of it, which signifies that it does support fast charging. Although the power brick we get with it doesn't seem to be of a higher wattage, we actually only get to see a 27-watt fast charger in the box. Now, unwrapping the device, and I gotta say that the color is exactly what it is described as. This is exactly what comes to mind when you would think of the color peach pink, and honestly I quite like it. It is a very unique color, and I don't know if you can see it in camera, but depending on how you hold it, you also get this bright bluish whitish reflection under different lighting. The device itself is pretty well made and very thin and surprisingly light as well, despite it having this huge 6.5-inch display. And while we're on the topic of display, we have an AMOLED display here, which is reinforced by Gorilla Glass 6, and it also supports 90 Hz of fast refresh rate. Now, as I had mentioned earlier, this is the 5G variant, and that means that this specific model comes with the new Snapdragon 780G processor, which is a chipset that elevates the phone almost into the realm of recent flagship models. When it comes to biometrics, the Mi 11 Lite has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is embedded into the power button. We also get to see the USB-C slot and the SIM slot at the bottom, which actually supports a micro SD card in case you need it. The back camera bump, I would say, slightly resembles the bump on the iPhones, although here we have a triple camera setup, with the main camera having a 64-megapixel sensor to it, alongside an 8 and 5-megapixel camera as well. If you ask me, this is the perfect mid-range phone money can buy. The Mi 11 Lite 5G is a long-winded name for a very well put together phone. The Mi range can be a bit of a confusing place to be in, but this is a handset that stands out from the rest, and the word light only refers to the weight, as the phone offers plenty of heavy hitting tech. The AMOLED 90Hz display is backed up by the solid processing power, and the 5000 mAh battery brings plenty of heft. In my opinion, the Mi 11 Lite is a smart, polished operator that delivers when it comes to multimedia usage. While other phones at this price might offer more power or slightly better camera specs, the inclusion of 5G capability here really makes the device a serious, stylish contender for your cash. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace out.
Peace out.